It is so late and I haven't gotten anything done today. My house is an absolute wreck from leaving for Thanksgiving and coming back and just being in a flurry, like in and out, and just not spending time cleaning. Over the weekend we've just kind of been lazy hanging out. Blair is actually passed out on the floor and Brex is passed out in her mommy room, and I'm gonna utilize this only window of time that I've had all weekend that they're not running around, or Blair's not running around, to clean up my kitchen. And I decided I would take you guys with me while I do that. Here we go. So now I'm opening the dishwasher and looking and realizing the dishes are dirty. My husband, bless his heart, tried to load it, so now I'm rearranging it and starting to rinse out dishes to reload the dishwasher correctly. And I say correctly because I just like to always put the pots and pans on the bottom, you know what I'm saying? And as I am scrubbing out the dishes and basically washing them before I put them in the dishwasher and rewash and sanitize them, just letting the water run into the sink onto the other dirty dishes to try to rinse out the food particles and stuff that are on them. And I hate getting the egg particles off of spatulas after you scramble eggs with them. Does anybody else have that problem? No matter if you rinse it off immediately, there's always still some dried egg on the edge. I feel like I always have to scrape off with my fingernail while I'm washing my dishes. It's super annoying. And that super large knife that you see right there, I didn't want to put it in the dishwasher because it was so tall, but all of my smaller knives, I didn't used to put them in the dishwasher because they say it dulls them. But then they got dull anyway, and they're ceramic coated, so I don't really want to use a sharpener on them and mess up the coating. So it's kind of a catch-22. So I just hand wash them until they get so dirty, or excuse me, until they get dull already, and then what's the point in not putting them in the dishwasher? Now that it's fully loaded, just gonna get some soap out of the cabinet and start it up. Now I'm just putting away some clean dishes that I had drying on the counter and kind of organizing all of the bottles and pump parts and sippy cups. I like to re-rinse all of the bottle parts when I put them through the dishwasher. And then a couple of things that I need to hand wash. love that Baby Ganex bottle soap. I also use the Honest Company dish soap. Either one of those I use for bottles and sippy cups. And these little bottle parts are always such a pain. I use that little plastic tub in the sink just to keep all of the bottle parts and sippy cup parts contained. And most of the time I will let them soak in warm soapy water in between washing them. Now I'm just rinsing out the sink. And decluttering my countertop before I clean it off, so that I can clean the surface of it. Here's Blair. She woke up from her nap, wanted a pouch. Now it's much, much later here because after Blair woke up, I had to put the rest of the cleaning on hold until after she went to bed. Cleaning the top of the stove and giving the surface a good scrubbing. I really need to clean the inside of that oven super bad. And after everything's wiped down, I'm just pulling up all of the rugs so that I can sweep the floor. And it has a lot of dirt on it. It accumulates really quickly, having the two dogs, and they're constantly going in and out of the house. It doesn't look as messy, but then when I start sweeping, you can see it is a really large pile of dirt that they bring in from outside. Now I'm just going to do a quick steam mop. I love using the steam mop. You don't have to use chemicals with it, and it sanitizes your floors, which is really helpful when you have children who are constantly dropping things on the floor and eating them. And as you can see, I'm just doing it super quick. I would normally do this a lot more thoroughly, but like I said, it's really late at night and I've had a super long day. Now I'm just gonna put the rugs back. And I forgot one. All right, guys. Sorry for the rush job on cleaning up. I actually got started while Blair had played herself until she passed out on the floor cleaning. And then in the middle of it, as you saw, she woke up and asked for a pouch and a snack. And then I actually had to stop until the end of the night and then come back and start back. As you can see, it is 1:30 in the morning. And I'm just now getting done cleaning the kitchen for the evening, as is typical around here, which makes for not a lot of sleep and long nights and early mornings. And on that note, I am about to go wash this makeup off my face and get in bed. See you guys later. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.
But I'm alright speeding up. So